Hi everyone, my name is Roxy and welcome to the Los Angeles Athletic Club. I'm the catering director here. I'm going to be doing a small set of series that are going to talk about event planning and some of the best questions that I get. The number one question I get is regarding decor. So the one thing are candles. Candles will add a lot and it'll set a mood. But there are rules for Los Angeles and any venue. And what that is we need to pull a candle permit from the fire department. So let me tell you those rules now, and hopefully this will help. Centerpieces are great, and you go right in the center, usually. The rule is 3 candles per table, actually for every 10 people. They can be small candles, tall candles, it doesn't really matter the size, but 3 is your limit regardless. You would, and I'm sorry I don't have the glue dots with me, but normally the base of the actual container needs to be glued to the base. Normally people use a mirrored base, but it can be acrylic, it can be marble, any of those two. It can be clear, it can be anything like that, and that works. So this is the normal votive size, and normally what you would put in is a tea light. And a tea light, you're gonna see, is gonna be very small. You can get on clear cup, or you can get them with color or tin. And what you want to do is the flame itself has to be 2 inches below the lip of the glass. So basically, I can do this, and it's not going to burn me. The test that the fire marshal does is he will put a napkin over it. If it doesn't catch fire, you're good to go. So normally, again, it's in 3s. You can do 2 small ones and a larger one. You can go ahead and do that if you're going to have flowers in the center. A lot of people will also choose to not do flowers and maybe have a rose or something, just 1 in the center and 2 candles on the side. And you could do that too. And normally what they might do is string some greenery around it or some petals, something that might hide the glass mirror if you don't want to show it, if it doesn't go with your decor. You can also go ahead and use clear. You can use all these little jars. You can use clear ones. If you use a clear one, there's something called a clear cup, and that's the tea light. It means it has no color on the outside, and that's great if you're going to go ahead and use a clear one. So again, the lip of the glass has to be 2 inches above the top flame, and then you're good. All of these follow that rule. Again, it also has to be affixed. The actual container needs to be affixed to the base. And again, candles are a great way, an inexpensive way, and a very elegant way. You can go ahead and use it as an entryway. You can go ahead and use it as decor for your tables. It doesn't really matter. So I hope this helps. And again, we'll be putting more tips on event planning. A fire marshal usually will come into a building you don't know, so you always want to have the permit. Please note also, every city has different rules. For the LA Athletic Club, we have our own high-rise fire marshal. The permit is pulled by me, and it is exactly through our fire marshal, our department. Every city has their own rules. These are the general rules, and then we'll go from there. So thank you very much, and again, come back to the LA Athletic Club. If you have any questions, go ahead and look at the link and write your question, and I will try to answer them. Have a great day, everybody.